everybody. Today I'm going to be making a Lazy Susan, and this is not a paint pouring tutorial. I just have to say I am not that experienced with paint pouring, but I just wanted to go ahead and share with you how I made this piece, and thank you so much for being here.
Room page, heart loud, room quiet. Every doubt in my head keeps asking me to hide it. Little spark in the corner of my chest. I chase it with a pencil, smear the fear, make a mess. What if this is ugly? What if this is wrong? Then I hear a whisper, just get it down, move on. Step through it, not the past. I got color on my hands again. Turn my feelings into something I can hold. Every line is just a way to say all the things I never say out loud. If it's awkward, if it's raw, that's the truth of what I saw. I got color on my hands, my friend. That's me learning how to be myself right now. Every scribble, every try is a little louder. I'm alive. Every failure on the floor is a map to something more. I got color on my hands again. Turn my feelings into something I can hold. Every line is just a way to say all the things I never say out loud. If it's broken, if it's bright, that's the story I will write. I got color on my hands, my friend. That's me learning how to be myself right now.
Alright, so I'm not real happy with how this is looking. I did try to tilt it, and it looks just like the last one I made that wound up being converted into a geode, and I may be doing the same with this one, but we'll see. I'm going to try to just add one more layer and see if I can blow it out. Wish me luck.
Paintbrush and hand sparks ignite. A blank canvas bathed in light. Colors clash, chaos collides. In this wild world I confide. This is my fire. This is my fight. Crafting my soul under neon lights. A masterpiece born from every corner of me. Art in motion, setting me free. From mistakes come the perfect storms. Beauty's found where the broken forms. No right way to create the true. Each stroke a story, colors breaking through. This is my fire, this is my fight, crafting my soul under neon lights. A masterpiece born from every corner of me. Art in motion, setting me free.
Mask on, gloves tight, little cups lined up in a row. Pick a shade, pick a shine, watch the colors race as they flow. Tilt the world on this canvas, let it run where it wants to go. Tiny galaxy on the table, spinning slow, art is so fun. I'm losing track of time, drip, drop, swirl, it's a state of mind. Pour a little heart, let the mess all shine. Art is so fun and I call it mine. Yeah, I call it mine. I call it mine. Heat gun humming like gossip, chasing bubbles right to the side. Little sparkles stuck on my fingers, laughing cause I'm along for the ride. Every streak, every splatter tells a story I didn't plan. From the spill on my sweater to the shine drying on my hand. Art is so fun, I'm losing track of time. Drip, drop, swirl, it's a state of mind. Pour a little heart, let the mess all shine. Art is so fun and I call it mine. Yeah, I call it mine. I call it mine. Oh yeah. Who said perfect's the point of creation? I'm chasing joy, not chasing the grade. If it runs off the edge of the table, that's just part of the piece I made. Little worlds in a drying corner, proof that play can turn into gold. Every layer a loud confession of all the colors I never told. Art is so fun. Art is so fun. I'm losing track of time. Drip, drop, swirl. It's a state of mind. Pour a little heart, let the mess all shine. Art is so fun and I call it mine. Art is so fun, watch the colors climb. Art is so fun and I call it mine. Hey. White walls, mask on, names on a tape and a countdown on the wall. Wet paint, dry throat. You say
Okay, so I'm just adding a little bit of glitter with some glue here. I have these two colors, which is like kind of like an orange copperish look, as well as gold.
if it works, we were never prepared. This is our art experiment, hearts on the canvas, bodies in the frame. Color runs wild, we don't regret it. We're gonna sign it in our real names. Turn up the mess, make it permanent. Tonight the question is the only plan. This is our art experiment, and we're the
Okay, so it's the next day. I'm loving how this looks. I'm gonna clean up the bottom, and on the bottom I've used tape and some vinyl to protect the bottom. So I'm gonna have to remove all of that, and then I will show you a picture of what this looks like on my table coming up soon.
Room turn from a blank, scared silence to a chance to acquire. We were tests on paper, now we're screaming in the wires. Oh yeah, this is our art experiment. Hearts on the canvas, bodies in the frame. Color runs wild, we don't regret it. We're gonna sign it in our real name. Turn up the mess, make it permanent. Tonight the question is the only plan. This is our art experiment, and we're the spark that's jumping in your hands.
Here's the completed Lazy Susan. I think it looks great, and I hope you do too. And thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.